Hi, students. My name is Mrs. Nicholson, and I am a counselor at Stony Brook. And I am so excited to have this opportunity just to say hi and to let each of you know how much all your 5th through 8th grade counselors miss you. We have an opportunity this week to send out an email to each of you with an assessment or a short questionnaire that we're asking that you would fill out for us. Because again, the counselors here in Warren want to know how you are. We are looking forward to making contact with you. If you've not already heard from us, you will be. And so this is our way of starting to find out how to support each of you. And so I want to show you this form that you'll be receiving. Here it shows Stony Brook Intermediate School, but when you receive your email, students, whether you're from Creston or Raymond Park, it will have your school attached there as well. As you read through this assessment, it's going to ask for your first and last name. What is your current grade level that you're enrolled in? And then the rest of these questions are all just kind of personal on how are you doing. So let's take just a couple more minutes to go through this assessment together. It asks you, are you prepared to begin e-learning activities next week, the week of April the 13th? If you answered no or somewhat, we would love for you to explain that to us. If it's that you need a device and you missed the Chromebook device pickup, we want to be able to support you in that. Or if there are other things that we can help you troubleshoot. Next question asks, how are you doing emotionally? And then it asks, are you anxious? One thing that I know a lot of the teachers are really struggling with as adults is trying to stay connected virtually. So this next question asks you, have you been able to stay virtually connected with your friends? It then goes on to ask you if there are any family or friends that you're concerned about. Again, if you can explain that, if you have anyone. How is the food at your home? Not is it yummy and delicious, but do you have access to enough food at home? Are there any things that you need at home? And then who is your counselor? So it will have all of your school counselors listed. Again, right now, this one shows Stony Brook, but the appropriate counselors will be listed on your school form. And would you like your counselor to connect with you? Then you'll simply submit it. And again, students, be on the lookout for some emails and texts and invitations to video chats because we miss you and we want to know how you're doing. Students, and we look forward to hearing your responses on this assessment. Stay safe and have a great afternoon.